Let's explore the automated 3D design by Smilefy. With this tool, you are capable of designing with the aid of the AI, letting you focus on the aesthetics and patient satisfaction. From simple cases to full mouth rehabilitations, the automated 3D design has the tool to help you achieve the perfect smile. So let's begin. On this first screen, choose between an ideal occlusion curve or to match the patient's curve. At the next screen, we have the chance to adjust the curve to suit your design. So make any adjustments you need, then click Next. The AI will calculate all the information provided and suggest an initial positioning, saving us a great deal of time. We have the option of 4 different views at once, or you can select and change the view to other files that you can also add, like CBCT, facial scan, and more. We can explore many different tools and features available to us, like the AI ortho simulation, Liquify, mesh editor, and many others. So let's make an additive design using the tools available to us. "3DFY" is a feature that can help you filter through all the templates. It will help your patient pick the perfect style. With tools like the cross-section and others, it becomes very easy to get the perfect smile. We'll be using Liquify to make further adjustments and checks, like an intraproximal correction that the AI can do for us. Let's see if there are any collisions or contact between the teeth. We'll click the maxilla. It will analyze the entire smile and detect if there are collisions. There are many tools we can use here to help on our design, like the AI occlusion contact points, where it works very similarly as the interproximal correction, crown contact correction, and the remesh. Once we're satisfied with the changes that we did on Liquify, click on Apply. Let's use the mesh editor to make final adjustments. As you can see, the mesh editor is meant to have a free hand over your design. Whether you want to make crowns or onlays, you can easily make them here. Adjust gingival margins and make any corrections you'd like. You can also create a screenshot of the design and send it to your patient before booking the appointment, potentially speeding up treatment time. Once the design is created, click Next and you can save the case. Smilefy, your path to a perfect restorative treatment outcome with digital dentistry.